Don't worry, I'll carry.
I'm already carry.
Oh god.
No!
Oh no.
They have Rhine? I can't tell.
Yeah, Ryan,
They
Bastion,
have a bar out.
Roadhog,
Oh, Ryan Bastion.
Brig.
They're gonna prime.
They're pushing.
Memes and dreams.
Oh yeah, they're. Are they going all the way around? They're going all the way around. They're going all the way around. All the way around.
Yep, behind.
Oh, back up, back
What?
up. No, why would you go up?
I got
Gotta
something
push up.
canceled.
Got it.
I don't know why my shield or my shift didn't go off.
Right shield broken. Where's the Bastion? Bastion's broken.
It's. We're down.
Hog low, hog low.
Hog vape down.
It's even. It's even. I'm almost there. Can we get someone to touch?
Hit it really hard too.
You know, next time.
This is so sad. Can we game end 500 kids?
You need to create distance as Arista.
Yeah. Yeah. I should honestly swap. We need to pull these guys off. They're pulled off?
I can't see you, Diva.
So,
Oh wait.
barrier destroyed?
Oh, behind us.
Alright.
You're in spam.
You know what? Yeah.
He had junk.
Let's go, boy.
I believe.
Bye!
Just grip up, grip up.
I believe in the
Where?
dream.
As long as we get one touch. I can dive touch it.
Slept.
I can dive touch it.
I've got you.
Oh!
I've got you.
Nice! Huge!
He's discorded.
Ah, alt tab.
Don't let her live! Get this mercy. Alright, good stuff.
My point now, bitch.
Ah, that's my point.
They're still on the comp.
You can't claim my point.
We're still on it.
Yeah. Hog no hook.
Roadhog right.
Where are they? Where are they? Give me information.
Roadhog underneath right side.
Yeah, they're all top. There we go. They're top pylon. Top pylon.
Roadhog's empty.
I was dead.
Roadhog hook down.
Oh!
Kill him before he hits me.
Dang.
Almost have fire.
Dope. Alright.
Oh, they got it.
Whew, that was close.
Die.
Can you send a bomb towards our way while I dive?
No. I can't.
Just literally. Oh. What? Then. Okay.
That was too late to hit Q.
No. I mean for next push. Next jump.
Okay.
So next dive, just initiate with the bomb. Send it straight at their faces. I want to touch as soon as possible. So as soon as you get here, hurry up.
Who wants
I'm coming.
Your boosters are on 4-second cooldown. Just use it to get here. Hog no hook. Brig is, yeah, their supports are low. Oh,
you so deep.
I'm sorry.
Hog no breather.
Oh, damn it.
God damn.
No.
My friends are being.
It was a horrific event.
Literally one after the other.
I can jump it. I'm gonna jump it. I'm gonna wreck it.
I'm going round down Ralph.
Oh, this is so bad.
Break that shield. Break that shield. Break that shield.
Mine slept.
Bastion behind.
Can't heal.
I'm behind now, and I need healing.
Ow.
All right, I'm going my own way.
There we go, she died. I was like, how the heck?
I'm on my way. Someone needs a touch. I'm touching.
Go Bastion. He's ulting.
I can't shield it.
Look at the bomb. No.
Touch point.
I'm on point.
Oh, the Bastion's to the left. All right.
Aww. They're just like, they were actually this bad? Alright, dive.
Dive? Okay.
I'll dive you.
I want to try something. Do you want to try like a Lucio Mercy dive?
Yeah.
Brock, can I be Mercy, please?
Yes.
Alright.
Caleb solo Lucy out.
What you doing, boy?
Oh, you want me off tank, huh?
Why you taking my boy?
No.
Like a diva.
Aw.
Diva's needed. Diva's DM is OP.
Is this an actual thing?
Oh wait, no.
This
No,
comp?
I want a serious team. Sorry.
No, this is a serious comp. No, this is EMP dive with Bob. Oh my god.
Ooh, fun.
We will try it.
Or EMP dive with the ball.
As long...
Whenever you guys are diving, I can still shoot. You don't have to stay attached to my hip either.
Okay. Whatever you say,
But
boss.
I like your hip.
I just want it for the easy Velks.
Yeah, that's true.
Damage boosting it's for real. Damage boosting a hit scan character like this gets you.
Alright, I'm gonna get this opener.
Gets picked
Take
going
high
backwards.
ground on right side first. Oh, playing
Peek for
back.
me, if you
I'm
can.
gonna try and.
I got
Yeah.
it. I have to go back.
Or the Ryan
So
shield.
take right side. Hog's here.
Hog no hook.
He's half. He's out. I'm going right side.
You can get him drop that shield.
I'm demacked.
Freak's hacked.
Ah shit.
Hey, Brandon, with you, right? Oh wait,
Hog's still here. You missed hook on me. Damn it. All right, we have to play a Ryan comp. There's no way.
I'm farming off that.
Just farm it. Get him my bobbo. I gotta leave you for a sec.
Hog's coming up right side. I had to bail. I heard his wild footsteps running at me.
Yeah, Hog's up top right.
You push Hog.
Push hog. Oh, I can't reach you.
He's hacked.
I had a bomb.
Dead.
Hey, Run's going to mine.
Run counter charge. Ah, they achieved the position for that.
Get him, Bob.
Oh no!
My bad. Got Bob. Or the Bastion.
I got it.
Help him. Who's next?
They just have 2 supports and the Rhine. We can push forward on them.
Run left, maybe?
I have bomb. You guys can get Ryan.
Brig no bash.
She's
Brick
one.
one, brick one, brick one.
Run's hacked.
Nice.
Run's one. Or she just res something. Maybe.
No, I broke her res.
I broke my own res. I'm so bad. Ah! Okay.
Hog's hacked.
Scary Lucio.
Hog's still over here.
I got my EMP. Hog's hacked again.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm gonna look for EMP here.
80 seconds, or I'm at 80%. Nice.
Biggest boy ever, boys.
Come back if you want heals.
I have Bob for
See
next
how
right now.
fat that was?
Yeet.
Factual if true.
Bomb.
Oof.
You're about right.
Oh,
Get this Mercy.
Mercy, come here.
Somebody heal me. Thank you. You guys are awesome.
Oh,
What is she?
the beam disconnected. I don't know. I'm gonna blame it on being bad. Should I Valk this?
Hey, I need help. I need help. I need help.
I'm not with you. No one's with you. I can res this?
Res me. Res me.
Oh, it's 17 seconds. I lied.
Watch Bastion.
You six.
I got your hopes up, I know.
Like every woman that does.
No one's pushing. I'm not pushing. Watch. Hey, watch the hook.
Watch it. Bastion is taking our point.
What?
Alright.
He can't do that.
All right, I'm gonna Valk this. Just go aggressive. I'm Valking.
It's Johnny.
Roadhog's hacked.
I need healing. Oh,
I'm resing this. Oh, I didn't know the Bastion got up top. That was good.
Alright, boys.
Bastion. Oh, we almost have another EMP.
I didn't realize Bastion was up there. I used it up there to try and escape.
Ready for duty.
Oh shoot!
still
I
up there?
forgot. They set up there.
So yeah, spam Bob. Just spam Bob. Oh, behind you!
We got a boy behind us.
My heart just skipped a beat.
I have no idea how I didn't scout that. I'm so bad at Mercy.
He's dead, he's dead, he's dead. We can go, we can go, we can go.
Pseudo, you wanna come?
All right, I'm with the Rhine. I'm with the Rhine.
Sure.
Thank you. Oh, dang it.
I don't think we need it this spot.
No.
Ryan's hacked.
Peek for me, Caleb.
This is a shooting range for me.
I got.
Wild West. Mercy just came in with a hole.
Hacked.
Bastion coming in.
Easy.
Coming in now.
All right, get this Rhine. Or this Roadhog. Whatever his name is.
Yeah, I'll
Just get
this
him.
Ryan. Get this Ryan. Get this bread, boy. Alright, we
I got another Valk. All right. We can beat in. Oh, no. Okay, EMP Shatter. EMP Shatter, right? That's what we do.
Yeah. Actually, we'll go EMP Bob.
Yeah! The combo of the century.
And then
Bastion's trying to set up right. Careful.
Alright, Pseudo, you ready?
Ready when you are.
Yeah, I'm going.
Huge! Bastion's right side?
Oh!
Bastion's right side.
Save me!
That's what I think it's worth it.
Damsel in distress.
I have grab. Mercy's one. I didn't get the finisher.
Oh my goodness.
Bastion is behind. Get this hog. Get him up.
Bastion's hacked over here on me.
I gotcha. Alright, I need a leash. I was going for some mad plays. Oh
Hi, Ryan.
no! Oh!
Ryan one, Ryan one.
Watch Bastion, watch Bastion. Bastion left side, Bastion left side, Bastion left side. Monka S.
Bastion set up on point.
Did a heroic emote. I had no way out. I have Bob for next fight. This fight. I
Alright,
can go
boys.
behind them and Bob.
Alright, Austin, we're playing Garen now.
Spin to one.
Ryan right side. Hog right side. Oh boy.
Go through here. Go through this way. This way. This way. This way. This way.
Watch for hook.
Bastion's hacked.
I can res it.
You better, boy.
I keep canceling it! I'm so... Report your mercy.
Oh my god. There was a double pocket behind. Alright, we have one more touch.
We
Look
EMP
at
Bob.
that.
Go.
Can anybody actually touch this?
I potentially can.
Someone take damage and I can Valk my way there. Alright, I'm gonna touch.
Go for it, go for it. I'm bobbing behind now. Oh, he pulled me in. What a jerk.
We win these. We win these.
We win
Kill
this.
hog,
We
kill
win
hog,
this.
kill hog, go bait, kill hog, kill hog. He's a big threat, big boy. He's a big boy.
Big.
We win these.
Bastion setting up right. Left, right.
Oh, I'm dead.
It's not over yet, boys.
Bat grab.
I don't have any will of what I want to do.
Oh, dang it!
Almost.
That was fun.
Tiebreaker match.
Do we have time for tiebreaker map though?
It's not even 9 o'clock yet.
Or 9:30.
Curve the charge. But wait, you're right, Nunny. Boom, 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 boom. We found the counter to Ash, boys. It's Bastion. He just burns Bob down like he's nothing.
What a meta.
Yeah, imagine Bastion being meta now.
I wouldn't mind it. I would like for every hero to not be a troll. For the troll heroes to be.
Amen.
Throwing 2 stack. Oof.
We technically already beat them. There's no way they can come back.
I'll just say for the 4th map.
Nah,
Dang, their game's ready. One of ours is.
I haven't. I added the dude. I don't think he's added me back yet. What is his name? The end of this recording too.
Very good question, Brandito.